You know what's killing most AI projects right now? It's not the technology, it's how slow they're being delivered. Here's how it usually goes. Your team gets excited about an AI project. Someone reaches out to a vendor. You hear all the right words. Quick deployment, rapid time to value, seamless integration. 6 months later, you're left with no results. Your budget has doubled, your team is exhausted, and you're wondering if this was even worth it. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. There's a different approach called managed AI delivery, and it fundamentally changes how you get AI working in your business. It's not just faster, though it is way faster. It's about reducing risk, aligning cost with actual value, and making AI work without turning your organization upside down. So what is managed AI delivery, and why does it work where traditional approaches fail? Managed AI delivery means you get production-grade AI solutions ready to deploy in days, not months. It works like Lego, pre-built building blocks, a knowledge fabric instance for business context, and proven blueprints for solutions snapped together to deliver working AI quickly. Real managed AI delivery is different. The vendor takes full responsibility for getting you from, here's what we need, to here's your AI solution actually working in production 24/7. You don't need to build a whole new engineering team. You don't need to restructure your entire operation. The vendor doesn't just hand you some software and disappear. They're accountable for outcomes, and that changes everything. Plus, they handle all the ongoing operations, long-term maintenance, managing model drift, addressing hallucinations, all the expensive stuff that typically requires a dedicated team. When solutions are managed, the vendor has real skin in the game. This completely shifts how they approach your project. Visit unframe.ai and book a slot to discuss your needs with our AI experts.